What is up guys, it's Sean here again. Today I'll be bringing you guys another unboxing, and this time it's going to be the all new PlayStation Slim Modern Warfare 3 edition. So I was able to get it through Walmart online website 2 days ago, and it just got shipped today. And oh man, I'm so excited. And this is the new Slim version of the original PS5, which came out I would say almost 2-3 years ago, and I was waiting for the Slim version to come out. I'm upgrading from the PlayStation 4 Pro, and the original PS5, it was a little too big for me, and also it had supply issues the first year, and then I just decided to wait for the Slim version to come out, and it just got announced a month ago, and they released it just 2 days ago, and I was extremely lucky to get the Modern Warfare 3 edition of it. And yeah, here's the packaging. It's in the Walmart package, and let's go ahead and unbox this up. Alright guys, so here it is in this Walmart packaging right here. Now let's go ahead and unbox this up. Okay. Here it is guys, PS5 Slim Modern Warfare 3 edition. Let's get this packet out of the way. Okay, so here it is. So yeah, as you guys can see, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, it comes with a free digital download version of the Modern Warfare 3. This game just came out 2 days ago with the PS Slim, November 10th. On top it says this Modern Warfare 3 PS5. On the side it shows what comes in the box. So the console, controller, and the game. And you also get 2 horizontal stand feet, HDMI cable, AC power cord, and a USB cable as well. There's a printed materials and Call of Duty, of course, itself. Play like never before. You all know that. And here is the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Includes the PlayStation exclusive Lockpick Operator Pack. That's pretty cool. And this is 1 terabyte. Oh, I was expecting it to be at least 2 TB, but that's good. Now I might need to use my scissor. Okay. Let me change the direction so you guys can see it better. Okay, so there's another box inside this box. I'm gonna have to pull this out. Let's get this box out of the way. This is the box. That will include everything. I'll put this up. So we're presented with a AC power cord to power the console. Yep, right here. Let's open this up. Here we have the DualShock 5 controller in the amazing white color. Wow, nice. Pretty good, huh? Let's put this to the side and see what else we get in the box. Here's the HDMI cable, and then the USB charging cable with USB-C. That's pretty cool. Everything is USB-C nowadays, so it's pretty good. The controllers are coming with USB-C charging output. And here it is, guys. This is what you came here for. The all new PS5 Slim. Nice. Okay. And here is the Modern Warfare 3 game code. I can download the game digitally through this code provided on this card. Let's put this to the side. And here is the console. Let me put the console to the side for just a second. See what else we have. So we have a user manual. I don't think anyone will be reading this because we know how this works, right? So, and oh, there's another one. A quick start guide and a safety guide. Yeah. And that is gonna be it, I think, in this box. Let's put this back and get this box out of the way so we can look at the PS5 itself. And finally, here it is, guys, the console itself. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Let's get rid of these plastics, cardboards. Okay. There's a lot of wrapping. I can already tell. And here is the console itself. Let me zoom out a little bit. And here is the console. Oh wow, just look at this. This is all shiny, like the original PS5. And then this part here is matte white. That is amazing. And it's got these new vents here that the previous one did not have. Here's the air vents. Keep your system cool. The USB ports, the LAN port, power port, HDMI cable port. Here's the PlayStation logo. Another vent here, or for styling. I'm not sure if it works. And then here is the front, of course, the console. I got the disk drive version because I like playing games through my discs. And here are the USB-C ports for charging your controller. The power button right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, here's the power button right here. And that is gonna be it, I think. Let me zoom out a little bit again, so you can get a better look at this baby. Wow, here's the top. Just shiny plastic material on top. I can already say this is amazing. Look at the size. This is perfect size. The previous PS5, the original one, it was a little too big for me. So that's why I waited for this PS5 Slim version. And wow, I'm glad I waited for it. This looks amazing. It's not only smaller and slimmer, it also looks better. Like, look at it. Wow. They really improved the aesthetics. You can already tell. Wow. Amazing. Look at this. I really like this matte white finish here. And then the traditional trademark PlayStation logo here. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Here's another vent here. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? I've heard this is the best controller out there for consoles, and I can already tell why. This is amazing. Wow. Really nice, man. Oh, it's already turned on. Oop, let me put it here so it doesn't scratch that shiny material here. Because this part, like I said before, is shiny, and then this one is matte white. And I'm loving it, man. I'm loving this style. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. And I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.